Hello friends. The last law of attraction book you'll ever need to read. This book begins with a powerful idea. Most people misunderstand the law of attraction. They believe just thinking positively is enough. The universe will magically deliver everything. No effort is required. The author clearly states that this belief is the main reason people fail. This book is called The Last Law of Attraction Book You'll Ever Need to Read, because it removes confusion, false promises, and unrealistic expectations. Instead, it presents the law of attraction as a practical life system based on thoughts, emotions, beliefs, actions, consistency. The central message is simple but deep. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. Chapter 1: The biggest myths about the law of attraction. The author first breaks the myths that have misled millions of people. Myth 1: just think and it will happen. Thinking alone does nothing without action. Myth 2: the universe works like magic. The universe responds to behavior and energy, not wishes. Myth 3: negative people never succeed. Many successful people feel fear and doubt, but they still act. Truth: the law of attraction works only when mindset plus emotion plus action are aligned. Chapter 2: thoughts create direction, not results. Thoughts are important, but they are only the starting point. The author explains. Thoughts shape your focus. Focus shapes decisions. Decisions shape actions. Actions shape results. Your mind works like a filter. You notice opportunities that match your dominant thoughts. If you constantly think, I am unlucky, right pointing arrow, you miss chances. I can grow, right pointing arrow, you see possibilities. Thoughts don't bring results directly. They guide your behavior. Chapter 3: emotions are the real language of the universe. This is one of the most important chapters. The book explains that the universe does not respond to words. It responds to emotional frequency. If you say, I want success, but feel fear, insecurity, and doubt, you attract more situations that match fear. High energy emotions: gratitude, confidence, peace, joy. Low energy emotions: fear, guilt, anger, hopelessness. You don't need to feel happy all the time, but you must avoid living in fear. Chapter 4: beliefs decide what is possible for you. Your life is limited by your beliefs, not your potential. Examples of limiting beliefs: money is bad. I am not smart enough. People like me don't succeed. The author says, you cannot attract what you secretly believe you don't deserve. Beliefs are created by childhood experiences, society, past failures. This chapter teaches how to identify hidden beliefs, how to question them, how to replace them slowly with empowering beliefs. Belief change is gradual, not instant. Chapter 5: the power of the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind controls habits, reactions, confidence, self-image. 95% of your daily behavior comes from the subconscious. If your subconscious believes success is dangerous, I will fail, then no amount of positive thinking will help. The author recommends repetition, daily affirmations, consistent self-talk, but with honesty, not fake positivity. Chapter 6: visualization, the right way. The book explains why most visualization techniques fail. Wrong visualization: imagining without emotion, daydreaming without action. Right visualization: feeling the emotion of already having it, seeing yourself taking action, connecting it with real behavior. Visualization is not fantasy, it is mental rehearsal. Athletes use it, leaders use it. It programs the mind for action. Chapter 7: action, the missing piece everyone ignores. This chapter is the backbone of the entire book. The author clearly says, without action, the law of attraction is useless. The universe opens doors, but you must walk through them. Action doesn't mean big steps, perfect plans. It means small daily efforts, consistency, courage despite fear. Even imperfect action is better than waiting for signs. Chapter 8: time, patience, and trust. Many people quit because results take time. Progress feels slow. The author explains. Growth is invisible before it becomes visible. Seeds grow underground first. Doubt delays manifestation. This chapter teaches how to trust the process, how to stay patient, how to stop checking results constantly. Faith is not blind belief, it is commitment without panic. Chapter 9 Gratitude, the fastest energy shifter. Gratitude is described as a multiplier. When you focus on what you have, your mind relaxes, fear reduces, confidence increases. Gratitude does not mean settling for less. It means recognizing progress. Simple habits suggested. Daily gratitude list. Thanking life for small things. Appreciating yourself. Grateful people attract more because they notice more. Chapter 10 Fear, Doubt, and Negative Thoughts. Fear is not your enemy, avoidance is. The book explains. Fear appears before growth. Doubt appears before change. Instead of fighting fear, observe it, understand it, act anyway. Failure is not punishment, it is feedback. People who succeed are not fearless. They are fear tolerant. Chapter 11 Law of Attraction in Money, Career, and Relationships. Money. Money responds to value creation, skill development, service mindset. Money avoids desperation. Career. Purpose attracts opportunity. When you focus on contribution, growth follows. Relationships. You attract people who match your self-image. Heal yourself first. The author emphasizes. External success follows internal alignment. Chapter 12 Daily Habits that Change Everything. The law of attraction is not a technique. It is a lifestyle. Key habits. Morning mindset control. Limiting negative media. Healthy routines. Self-discipline. Reflection. Your daily routine is your destiny in disguise. Chapter 13 Trust the universe, but trust yourself more. The final chapter delivers the core truth. The universe supports effort, not excuses. You are not powerless. You are responsible. When you change your thinking, your emotional patterns, your habits, your world responds naturally. This book teaches that the law of attraction is not magic, not instant, not passive. It is a system of self-mastery. Key lessons. Take responsibility. Align thoughts and actions. Build emotional strength. Stay consistent. Stop waiting. Start moving. Final message of the book. You don't need to control the universe. You need to control yourself. Thank you.